Yeah, good morning kabayan. So by now, andito ako sa Spinnaker scale model inside the Club Laia showroom. Okay? So I will welcome you here, no? Tama-tama, no? Summer na para ma-experience mong Club Laia. Okay, so to start with, so itong ating beachfront, ang unang talaga nating selling point dito, ito yun. Kabayan, this beachfront literal. So few in the world wherein you have this direct access to the beach. So ibig sabihin, walang road. Just like kunyari, yung pinakasikat sa Australia, no? Surfers Paradise, may road between yung boardwalk, road, tapos property. But here, you will notice, yung boardwalk lang natin manipis. So it really seamless integration, no? Parang ano, no? Part lang din talaga siya ng property. Then, beach na. Yun ang maganda. And this is a white beach ng San Juan. This is a 500 meters length ng beach from both sides na ng development. Ito yung frontage ng ating property na Club Laia Seaside District. So, andito tayo sa bandang east side. Okay? Okay, yan yun. Tapos may that separates yung Laia River there. Okay, so let's talk. By now, ang development natin dito, sa harapan ngayon, while ongoing construction, yung Captain Barbosa's Resto Bar. So here, iba rin, along the shore, iba yung feel niya. Okay, so imagine having a drink here, tapos meron kang ribs, and yun na nga, burgers, ayan, mga nachos. So yan, no? So if you want to have ibang chill vibes ng summer, you have to experience this Captain Barbosa's at Laia. And of course, marami tayong ongoing na mga water activities dito. This is the Sigayan Bay. The Sigayan Bay, part to ng Verde Island Passage VIP. So the center of the marine biodiversity of the world. So specifically for shore fishes, yung mga mababa. So iba. So you'll expect talaga the best dive sites you'll find in the Philippines dito sa VIP. Okay. So by now, punta tayo. So again, the design, the architectural, so very familiar ba? This is Spinnaker kasi Spinnaker is a sail, part ng sail. And yan, compare it to the Burj Al Arab ng UAE, di ba? Di ba it stands out from the sea, ocean, tapos yan na, para talagang tumatakbo. It's a voyage, no? It's the journey. So, yes, tamang-tama, no? With your success dyan, kabayan, no? And you can have this kind of development na for how many lang, no? Wala pang kabayan, ba? Wala pa tong 400,000. May 400, no? Well, actually, wala pang 400 kabayan, mga $200,000 lang to, no? $220,000 investment for your studio unit. So ito yung maganda to, pero you got $1 million view. So puntahan natin yon, yung view mo doon. So from here, ground level, so okay, so may available pa tayo dito na 110 million na 278 square meters na perfect for resto bar, lifestyle resto bar. Tapos meron ding retail store na 68 square meters, no, so around 25 million ground. Second floor, okay, and fronting siya dito sa $1 million beach view natin. Ang ganda pa nito, alam nyo, may effect siya kabayan, no? It's a spiral stair from ground, second, third, fifth, walang four, fifth, sixth, so spiral siya. So here we'll be having a meeting room, magkakaroon ng fitness gym and spa, and dito yung speakeasy, yung mga nauuso ngayon na nakatagong bar, speakeasy bar, and golf simulator. Okay, so, and on your 6th floor, from here, andito yung kiddie pool and the infinity pool. You have the lounge. Ang maganda dito sa lounge, covered na. So, hindi ka mangingitim na katulad ko. And meron siyang bar. And of course, start na yung development natin sa 6 dito, located yung bi-level. And by now, itong mga units natin dito are sold out na. These are the Mountain View, west side. Okay? And of course, dito meron pang na-remaining tayo na 14th floor na 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom unit, 14 Alpha. Yan na lang yung remaining na facing the bay, direct bay. Pero lahat talaga meron. So, good news is, kabayan, yung property mo na studio unit located dito. Okay? So, make sure, kabayan, ha, yung ating mga family and friends, no, sabihin marami pa. Again, this is the east side. Okay? Morning sun to. And yun, yung angled yung balcony nyo, may view tayo. So see, that is a 36 square meters na mga studio units with balcony. So yan, so meron pa tayong 7, your unit is on the 8th, 9th, and hopefully ako sa 18th floor, kabayan, ay damihan natin. I'm praying, hoping na ang ganda kasi, kabayan. So kaya yan, no? Alam ko, dollar earner ka, so kaya nyo nga yan. And ako, pag-iipunan ko pa, pagbebentahan pa natin. Ang maganda dito yung Club Laia Beach Club. So by now, ang nakalagay pa lang dito, yung scale model ng 6th and 7. But dito, so another, maganda yung pool. Infinity pool, andito yung infinity pool. Tapos andito yung Harmony Garden. So imagine from that, your studio unit, meron another pool. Ang view mo. Okay? Yung infinity pool. Tapos another ocean view. Tapos dito, na yung river. Okay? The Laia River. So perfect talaga. The Spinnaker, again, maraming nagsasabing beach, ocean view. Ibig sabihin, view lang. So you know it is, okay? So in any famous beach town, property, like in Florida, yun nga, Surfers Paradise, diba? Ang good deal na yan, ang ocean view, it's a 1 million, almost $1 million for an ocean view. But for us, it's around $220,000 lang. You got $1 million view na. Okay? And that is a 36 square meters. Malaki yun, ha? Compare natin sa Manila. Mga Manila, 2-bedroom lang yun. Okay? And of course, beach front. Ito hindi, yes, may ocean view. Hindi siya beachside, but beach front. Pagbaba mo from your lounge lobby, dire-diretso na boardwalk beach. Ang sarap. Kaya sabi ko, this is life. Ito yung gusto kong lifestyle. Tapos, di ba, magkakapi ka, matutulog ka, bago matulog, maririnig mo lang yung waves. Okay? Perfect, kabayan. So really, it's really an A investment, type AAA investment. A!